In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a newsletter to beehiiv. If you want to get your newsletter drafted, formatted, and ready to send inside beehiiv, the process is actually very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part so you can move from a blank page to a scheduled newsletter with confidence. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of your beehiiv dashboard and click on Newsletter. This is the main area where you manage your newsletter content, including new drafts and posts you want to send to your audience. If you're new to the platform, this section is where most of your writing and publishing workflow will happen. Once you're there, go to the top right and click Start Writing. This opens the editor and lets you begin creating your newsletter. beehiiv gives you a couple of different ways to start, depending on how you prefer to work. At this point, you can either choose a template you want to use, or if you'd rather build everything from scratch, click New in the top right and select Blank Draft Post. Using a template can save time if you already have a layout in mind, while a blank draft is a good choice if you want full control over the structure and design. After that, write or paste in your newsletter content. This is where you add your text, headlines, and any other content you want your readers to see. If you already prepared your newsletter somewhere else, pasting it in can make the process much faster. Just take a moment to review the formatting afterward so everything looks clean and organized inside the editor. Next, start designing your newsletter so it looks the way you want. You can arrange the content, adjust the layout, and make sure everything is visually clear and easy to read. This part is important because a well-designed newsletter is easier for your audience to engage with. Once everything looks good, click Next in the top right. Finally, when you're ready to post or send the newsletter, click Schedule. This is the step that lets you move forward with publishing or sending your content at the right time. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to quickly review the newsletter one last time to make sure the content and design are exactly how you want them. And that's all there is to it. That's how to upload a newsletter to beehiiv. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.